Hey guys, so till this session we did 5 examples of line integrals, and I'm again continuing with these parts only. So now we are going to do seventh example of the linear. So here I have given a six example. See, the equation is given: f bar equals to 5xyi plus 2yj. Then evaluate f dot dr where c is the part of the curve y equals to x cube between the limits x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So you can see the function f bar is given, and you have to find here f dot dr, and one curve is given that y equals to x cube, and that is for the limits is already given here, that for x equals to 1 to x equals to 2. Okay, from the equation you can describe that the limits are given into the x form. It means you are putting the limits of x, so that you need a function in the terms of x only. Then and only then you can put the limits of x. Okay, so from this curve you have to apply, you have to convert this whole equation, yani ki f dot dr, you have to convert into the equation x form. Okay, now starting the procedure, as we know our first step, that we have to apply position vector, that is r, that is xi yj plus zk. Then dr equals to I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Okay, now find f dot dr, second step. So do the multiplication for this both. So it will be 5xy dx plus 2y dy. So, and the third step, it will be of path of integration. Okay, that is y equals to x cube. So y equals to x cube, yani ki we can find its dy, that will be 3x square dx. Okay, now as I said the first, that the limits are given from x form. So of course we will convert the equation, yani ki we will convert f dot dr into the x form. So f dot dr we have to convert it into the x form. So substituting f dot in f dot dr and integrating between the limits x equals to 1. So f dot dr will be 1, limit integration limit 1 to 2, and converting into the x form now. So it will be, in place of y it will write x cube, right? So it will be 5x as it is, and in place of y yani ki x cube, so x cube dx here. Now next 2y into the dy, so 2 as it is, y yani ki x cube, again y, sorry, again dy now, so that will be 3x square into the dx. Okay, now just do the simplification and put the limits, you will get the final answer, that is coming 94. Example, prove that f dot integration f dot dr equals to 3 pi. See here already it's given that you have to prove this one. So यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी प्रूव करके दे दिया है कि आपको यही फाइंड करना है, where f bar equals to zi plus xj plus yk, and c is the arc of the curve r bar equals to cos I cos ti plus sin tj plus tk from t equals to 0 to 2 equals to 2 pi point. Okay. Okay, now you can see here f bar is given, position vector r bar is given, t, and the limits are given, right? Here r bar is given, but it is into the form of parametric equation, यानी कि आपको position vector नहीं दिया है, this one is given a parametric equation, because you can see the terms of this, it is converted into the t form. You can observe that cos t, sin t, and t. It means it's a parametric equation, not a position vector. So your r will be as it is, that r equals to xi plus yj plus zk. And from that equation you will find here dr, that will be I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Okay. Now next f dot dr, putting f and dr. Now do the multiplication of these both. So z into dx plus x dy plus y into the dz. Okay. Now from these equations, yani ki from the r you have to write uh, x, y, and z. So just writing here x, y, and z. So next find dx, dy, and dz. So here I have written its answer. and this one I'm directly converting into the T form. These steps you can do here or after the fourth step also. Okay, there is no need to convert here only. So whatever you like, you can do that. So fourth path of integration is arc of the curve r bar, that is for the point t equals to 0 to t equals 2 pi. See, here already I have converted into the t form. In place of z I have written t, in place of dx I have written its value. Okay, so same like put these both the functions also. Okay, so here I have written. Now next, f dot dr, that is for the limit 0 to 2 pi, it's already given into the equation. Here apply karo f dot dr and dt. Just do the integration and you will get the final answer. And see here it's given cos square t, so you have to convert it into the normal form, यानी कि 1 plus cos 2t upon the 2, and here t into sin t, यानी कि दो functions दिए यहाँ पे, so you have to apply here uv rule. Okay, so integration for the UV rule. Okay, and then do the integration, and integration is very important, and this examples is very important also. Now next, evaluate integration f to dr over the circular path x square plus y square equals to e square, where f bar equals to sin y into I plus x into the bracket 1 plus cos y into the j. Okay, now see what is the given. F bar is given, you have to find f dot dr, and the circle is given, circular path, that is x square plus y square equals to x square. Okay, now continue with the same procedure that in first step you are going to write its position vector and then after dr. Okay, so writing r bar, that will be xi plus yj. You can also write zk, but at the last it will be 0 only. Then dr will be I dx plus j dy. Okay, now in the second step you have to find f dot dr, so just putting these both the values and do the multiplication of these both functions, and may you get this term, this one, right? Okay, now you can see that apart from this term, here sin y dx plus x cos y dy, and this one, these two terms, actual the combination, actual the multiplication rules of x into the y, because if you will apply the multiplication of these both functions, यानी कि first term as it is, second का differentiation plus करके second term as it is, first का differentiation, right? So x को भी as it is रखो यहाँ पे, right? फिर sin का होगा differentiation, cosine का sin का मिलेगा cos y into the dy, right? Okay, now moving forward, plus करके सेकेंड टर्म एज इट इज, यानी कि यहाँ पे बचेगा sin y as it is, then apply the derivation of x and that will be 1, right? So you can check the term here, x cos y dy and plus sin y, sorry इसका यहाँ पे मैं भूल गई, it will be dx. Okay, so this one is actual the combination, actual the multiplication of x into the sin y, so I just simplified the term here with the next one. And here the path of integration of the circle is given, x square plus y square equals to a square. Okay, now you can check the equation. Here there is no not given any kind of limits or any kind of terms of x y z, right? It's only given equation of the circle, that x square plus y square equals to a square. So here you have to apply its parametric equations of the circle, and we know the parametric equation of the circles are x equals to r cos and y equals to r sin theta, right? So from this equation you can find dx and dy, right? So dx equals to minus e sin theta d theta, and dy equals to a cos theta d theta, right? So it will be same, it will be work same like t. Okay, so we will convert this whole f to dr, this all the functions into the theta form. So f to dr equals to, I'm just putting all the values over here and giving the simplification. See, this one is the d of whole integration, so that will be only this term This one is very important term for the simplification. You can see that here the integration of d of a cos theta into the sine of a sin theta. d of यानी कि जो भी इंटीग्रेशन जो भी ब्रैकेट में दिया है उसका अगर हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन करें so the from the term d will be removed and the rest of the term will be its integration. Okay, ऐसा रूल है मैथमेटिक्स में. So यहाँ पे हम लोग डायरेक्टली लिख रहे हैं this one and for the limit 0 to 2 pi and here of course you have to do whole procedure, right? And here you are getting cos square यानी कि first we have to convert into the normal form यानी कि 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So now applying this one you will get final answer. So this example is very important guys. So just please continue with your practice and do this all these sums. In next session we will do more examples. Thank you.